Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Once the package list is updated, install curl with the following command. Create a configuration directory for system resolved with the next command. Now create a new configuration file to tell Ubuntu how to handle the NAS traffic. Inside this file, set the DNS to localhost and disable the default stop listener. This frees up port 53, which is required for AdGuard Home to function. Now use the following command to avoid losing any system defaults. By using the next command, we create a symbolic link to point the system DNS resolution to the correct internal runtime file. Use the following command, and because of this command, we just disable the local resolver. We will temporarily set a public DNS like Cloudflare. Using the next command, we will also map the local IP to our hostname to prevent unable to resolve host errors during the setup. Now run the official AdGuard Home installation script with the next command. Once the install is complete, open your web browser and navigate to your server IP address with the following port to finish the setup wizard. Once the setup is complete, you can start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.